Hi University Place students and families. During this video screencast, I'm going to demonstrate how to download and use the Google Meet Grid View extension to use during class Google Meets. This Grid View extension will allow you to see all of your classmates and teachers at once on your screen. Grid View is a Google Chrome extension that you can quickly download to your Google Chrome browser. Once Grid View is downloaded to your Chrome browser, you will be able to see all of your classmates and teachers, and even yourself on your screen during Google Meets. If you have used Google Meet before, you know that the standard layouts on Google Meet allow for you to see only up to 16 people at once on your screen. But once you download the Google Meet Grid View extension, you will be able to see your entire class at once. No matter how many people there are in the meeting, you will get to see them all. You can even use Grid View to add yourself to your screen. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how you download and use this Google Meet Grid View extension. It is free, safe, and quick to install on your Chrome browser. The steps are listed below for your reference. I will walk you through every step in the download process, and then I even get to show you how this extension works during an upcoming meeting I have with UPP teachers. The first thing I'm going to do is open a new tab in my Google Chrome browser. Since this is a Chrome extension, you will need to use your Google Chrome browser. So you'll click on the browser that looks like this. Then you get to open up a new tab and search for Grid View. I'm going to show you the rest of the steps. So I'm going to quickly open up a new tab. I'm going to type Grid View extension right in my search bar. Look, it pops right up. Then you'll notice the very first link that pops up is Google Meet Grid View. I'm going to click on it. So this takes you right to the Google Web Store where you can quickly download Google Meet Grid View. Fantastic. So I'm going to push Add to Chrome. Then, since it is something I need to install, I'm going to select Add Extension. As you can see, after only a few seconds, this extension is installed and becomes part of my Chrome browser. I notice the Grid View icon on the top right corner of my screen. Look! This indicates that the Grid View extension was successfully installed. That's it. This is a process that you only have to do once, and now you will have the option to use Grid View during any Google meeting. Now that this extension has been installed, when I join a Google Meet, I will have the option to use this Grid View extension to see all of my students or colleagues at once. Since this was a very recently added extension, I'm going to refresh my screen up here so that I'm able to utilize this extension during my upcoming meeting. Now, boys and girls, I will join my Google Meet with some wonderful UPP teachers to demonstrate how to use this new helpful extension. Hi Mustangs! We are joined by some of our amazing UPP teachers who are with us today to demonstrate how to use this Google Meet Grid View feature. There are 17 of us currently in the meeting, but with our standard Google Meet layout that I'm using currently, I can only see 16 of our teachers at a time. When I use my Grid View extension, I will be able to see all at once. Look, you will notice that now there's a grid icon on the top of your screen. If I push on this waffle, it changes my layout, so now I'm able to see all 17 of us at once. I can even click Include Yourself in the grid, and now I can be included as well. Mrs. Wickstrom, what do you love about Grid View?
since I can see everyone's face, I can see all of my students, or in this case, all of my fellow teachers, are actively engaged in the lesson by watching the screen, and I can tell they're all listening.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Wickstrom. So, through Grid View, I can tell that all of the teachers are engaged in our meeting at once, and look, they're all going to raise their hand to show that they want to participate. It's so wonderful. We can all see each other at once to learn together. Thank you so much for watching our video on downloading the Grid View extension for Google Meet. I know that any of our classroom teachers, including those in this video, would be more than willing to help support you with this or answer any questions you might have. I know I speak for all of us when I say we cannot wait to see you on Google Meet soon, Mustangs. Be sure to download the Grid View extension so that you are all able to see each other at once. Thank you so much.